I made the bars myself. Screwed in so that they don't bounce during the bass. So I got a deck box. This is made by...
Oh wow, you got all kinds of stuff in there.
Fully in the truck, yeah.
Wow.
It ain't coming out, this ain't coming.
Doors are really heavy.
When it's in a quiet spot, you can hear yourself echo in here.
That's awesome, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
They're not quite finished, they still got to do all the Bondo work.
Okay. Oh, you got your back seat, or your seat taken out here in the back. Oh, wow. Okay. You never know what you're going to expect when you get in. Wow, this is nice.
I appreciate that.
Whoa. You built this?
My buddy Josh Kingsmore from TCP built the shell, and then I brought it home and did all the finish work, all the Bondo, all the fiberglassing.
Wow.
I did the bars, I made the bars myself. Did all the epoxy work, everything.
Nice. So you're naming in the total, all equipment in here. Go for it, man.
So I've got two Ruthless 10Ks wired at 1.3 per for a set of 3 subs. Each sub is the Resilient Platinum Sounds V2s. And then I've got two 1500.4s powering the Crossfire XT Pros in all the doors.
Okay. What size alternator lithium?
So I've got a 90 amp hour of Insight from Coventry. Isaac did a good job on that thing. I got a 400 amp JS alternator. And then, yeah, pretty much all SkyHigh 0 gauge throughout.
Wow. I don't think I've seen very many enclosures built. I'm trying to figure out, so this is just a standard band pass?
So this is a fourth order.
Okay.
And then the shell that you see right here from this point, all of this was my old build, which was a flat wall for 218s.
Okay.
And I just cut the baffle out of it and I left the shell, and then we built the fourth order back here.
That's smart. That way you don't have to deal with your windows in the cabin or anything.
So my buddy Josh Kingsmore on my team, he's the one who helped me build all of this. Hunter Martin did the design, and then he helped me build it.
Okay. Any SPL tests?
Nothing yet. I just finished it on Monday. So it is brand spanking new. Just got it in.
Okay. It almost looks like you don't have the back glass there. It's so clear. Okay.
I know. Everybody keeps saying that.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, let's get it going. This Sony app takes a second sometimes.
It's okay. And you can carry your head unit.
Yeah, so I got a deck box. This is made by Dakota over at AmpLink. I'm from Hawaii, born and raised, so everything's tribaled out and Hawaii'd out.
Yeah. Okay.
Everything under this dashboard is 4 layers of 80 mil kill mat on all the plastics.
Yeah.
I've got 3 layers of Sundown 160 throughout the entire floorboard and firewall.
It doesn't move much. I mean, you've done great.
Yeah,
And that's the goal if you can. Get this loud and keep the pressure in. So.
When it's in a quiet spot, you can hear yourself echo in here.
That's awesome, man. I appreciate it, man.
I appreciate it.
Your name?
Paulana.
Paulana. Awesome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Jacob.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Oh, wow. Whew. Did a really amazing everything. Solid. Are these Pokemon? Digimon?
No,
Dragon Ball Z. Okay.
Yeah, so this is all my storage compartment. They're screwed in so that they don't bounce during the bass, but
Yeah.
it's where I keep all my tools and stuff.
Yeah, got it. You never know when you need it.
Never know.
Take a picture real quick.
Yeah, man, here.
Oh wow, you got all kinds of stuff in there, man. This was built fully in the vehicle too.
Yeah, fully in the truck. Yeah.
Wow.
It ain't coming out. This ain't coming off. It's in there.
Man, it looks good. Thank you for showing me that. Oh, your doors are really heavy.
They're not quite finished. They still got to do all the Bondo work.
Okay. Wow.
We're gonna play a little something Madonna, man.
Okay.
to the rooftop. The bass is bumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us. I just wanna have fun tonight. Hold me under the flashlight.
I knew you'd like it, bro.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
I knew you'd
really
like it.
flat bandwidth, and it's just brutal wins every note. Man, and you're not. I mean, I was trying to figure out flex. You don't have much. So you did a good job
So,
stopping most of it. I appreciate it, man.
I appreciate
Your
it,
name?
Jacob. Paulana.
Awesome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Jacob.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.